Before you buy the Hume Health Band, there are two things you need to know, because getting this wrong could cost you money and give you completely inaccurate health data. And if you've been struggling with low energy, poor sleep, constant fatigue, or that frustrating feeling that your health has slowly declined over time, you're not alone. For a long time, I dealt with that same cycle: exhaustion, brain fog, and no real understanding of what was happening inside my body. I tried fitness apps and basic trackers, but they only showed surface level data, when they worked at all. Then I came across the Hume Health Band. But before we get into what it does, there are two important things you should be aware of. First, be careful where you buy it. There are already imitation versions online, and they can give inaccurate readings. If you're going to try it, it's important to use the official source. Second, this isn't a magic fix. It's not something you wear once and suddenly everything changes. It's a system designed to work over time by helping you understand your body better. So, what actually is it? The Hume Health Band is a smart wearable designed to track key health signals like heart rate, sleep cycles, blood oxygen, skin temperature, and stress levels. But instead of just counting steps, it focuses on deeper insights, things like recovery, energy patterns, and how your daily habits are actually impacting your body. That's what makes it different. It's not just data, it's interpretation. Before using something like this, a lot of people think they're doing everything right, but without real data, it's mostly guesswork. Once you start tracking consistently, patterns begin to show, especially around sleep quality, stress, and recovery. Now, results don't happen overnight. Some people start noticing useful insights within a few days, but the real value comes after a few weeks, once the system learns your body's patterns. And that's really the key here: consistency. If you're someone who wants a clearer picture of your health and how your habits are actually impacting your body, a tool like this can be useful. But it only works if you actually use the insights and apply them. At the end of the day, it's not about the device itself, it's about what you do with the information it gives you. If you decide to try it, stay consistent, pay attention to the data, and focus on improving your habits over time.